Welcome to the Silicon Duel, an architectural teardown of the Exynos 2600 versus the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, the two platforms powering the next-generation Galaxy S26. Samsung employs a dual-chip strategy. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 is reserved for the Ultra model globally, and all S26 models in the US and China. The Exynos 2600 powers the baseline S26 and S26 Plus in most global markets, balancing cost and regional performance. The chips clash at the physical layer. The Exynos 2600 uses Samsung Foundry's pioneering 2nm gate-all-around process. In contrast, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 relies on TSMC's mature 3nm FinFET process, prioritizing stable yields and efficiency. In CPU topology, Exynos uses a 10-core design for massive parallel throughput, while Snapdragon opts for an 8-core custom Orion design, focusing on extreme clock speeds and single-threaded brute force. Benchmarking reveals Snapdragon's 18% lead in single-core performance. However, Exynos' 10-core array nearly achieves multi-core parity. Overall, Snapdragon shows a 27% uplift, largely driven by memory and GPU subsystems. Graphics architectures diverge. The Exynos Xclipse 960 uses AMD's desktop-class RDNA 4 lineage. The Snapdragon Adreno 840 is a highly customized, proprietary architecture engineered for stability and seamless integration with the mobile gaming ecosystem. The Exynos secures a surprise victory in peak ray tracing performance, demonstrating a significant advantage over the Snapdragon. The RDNA 4 architecture gives Exynos a distinct 10 to 15% advantage in next-generation lighting calculations. Performance is constrained by thermal envelopes. The 3nm Snapdragon sustains better, running cooler under heavy load. The Exynos can peak higher, drawing up to 23W in performance mode, but requires hardware mitigation like the heat path block for thermal management. Both platforms heavily pivot toward on-device generative AI and local processing. Exynos features a 32K Mac NPU with a 113% boost over its predecessor. Snapdragon's Hexagon NPU emphasizes low-latency direct sensor access and cross-platform optimization. Exynos introduces the Visual Perception System, an AI subsystem that replaces traditional ISPs, enabling deep learning noise reduction and superior power efficiency. Snapdragon relies on a mature 20-bit triple AI ISP, the industry standard, focused on dynamic range and semantic segmentation. The modem architecture differs. Exynos uses an external modem for massive peak speeds of up to 14.79 gigabits per second, freeing up physical space. Snapdragon features an integrated modem architecture, which maximizes efficiency and provides seamless switching at slightly lower peak speeds. Qualcomm's entrenched ecosystem provides a crucial software optimization advantage. Snapdragon dominates the broader Android landscape, meaning game engines are natively tuned for Adreno GPUs and Orion CPUs, resulting in smoother frame pacing. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 is ideal for sustained graphical performance and extreme single-core burst speeds. The Exynos 2600 is better suited for heavy multitasking, next-generation ray tracing, and standard enterprise use, where the 2nm efficiency gains are beneficial. Samsung's 2nm breakthrough signals a closing gap. The Exynos 2600, with its pioneering 2nm GAA technology, transforms what was once a one-sided market into a genuine hardware duopoly. Qualcomm remains the benchmark for sustained efficiency, but the landscape has shifted.